Afternoon, sir.
Officer, welcome.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm fine.
Yes, sir. Sir, I don't know if you recognize this one. Carry your face, come as I will make them see you.
I don't understand.
I don't know if you recognize it, sir.
Show me.
He said, when I get transaction, what I do?
Yeah, tell her here. Last month, I think washing machine. Washing machine. Yes. Set. Set to me. Yes, sir. You are dreaming.
Sir?
You are dreaming. Sell washing machine to me. Yes. I don't buy things outside. I repair.
It was 3 days ago that we arrested him.
How the low time machine? Lot of time that
Last month.
fail me.
So he said he sent it to you a week before Christmas.
Sell machine to me.
Hello.
Sell machine to me. You are dreaming. Handling very well.
Okay.
Even the day I come, this woman was
Okay,
here.
allow me talk.
Okay, what we arrested him for yesterday for
He's dreaming.
Yes.
Madam, I beg. Arrested me for passenger side. So one whom I don't need complain before. Say they stole a washing machine, AC. They never stole and they all buy that one. So they say they stole the washing machine. See, but they see someone like him around that area during that period. So we can't track him. We can't finally arrest him. Carry us go where you sell the washing machine or he did your house. We went to his house, we will not find anything. Where the washing machine, they say na the bill outside for seller. Take us there. I make a carry us for you.
I'm doing well. I don't even buy machine from anybody.
So what do you think we do now?
For even like me come outside. You say me I don't really like to talk. Me come outside.
So I hope you know my child.
Sir, do you have a lawyer?
I don't have.
You need to start for one.
We'll provide one for you when we get to station.
Because you need
to come to station.
Yes, sir.
So all you need to do, Sandra, is to follow us to station for statements. You write statements.
There are 3. The remaining 2, they're already in station. So when we get to station, we'll sort everything out. Since you don't have a lawyer, if we find you guilty, since you don't have a lawyer, the government
and
provide
even say,
one for
Madam,
you.
see on that day when you say you don't say
What a machine.
I've not even seen it before.
Me,
stand here.
Oh, the
You say
machine
you
from
failed.
the machine.
Where's my shop?
This is where you stand. I don't know where it's a shop.
I'm not the one. You failed.
Akoba Gafara.
I know. Whether you lock up or that your boy is.
It's my son.
Okay.
Well done.
Big boy, how are you? No, they like this boy. He's a criminal.
They are aware when the guy carry washing machine go here. I bet you not the shop that
We
day.
don't sell my
I don't even buy. I can't just buy machine from outside. I fix all this one. As you see me, I'm fixing it.
So you have to.
But this one, did you sell it?
Yeah, this one, I said this one.
Okay, you buy a reserve.
Yeah,
Is
I
there
buy
fruit
this one,
blender
I
here?
said, but
Was it a new one?
No, it's fairly used. I wash it and nylon it.
And this, how you take say your own?
When I do it, my friend, when they he directs me from here.
What do you say give them for you?
He says washing machine.
You said now here in the
I will stay for the Obasanjo.
Now Obasanjo will arrest her.
The woman
That person direct you come here or wait.
Where is that station? Where is that station?
That's why I say we go go station.
Any kind of.
No wahala now. Which kind
Can
of
you
that?
No, main day shop. No be him the same distance to me, no involve.
What's my name?
Yes,
Sir? What's my name? What's my name?
The guy did not tell me your name. Just tell me, he just described you for me. He said the guy said the money comes.
And you are the one that brought the machine and said to me how much?
No.
So you know that guy?
May we sit
You
down.
know this one?
No.
How much? How much? I
When we get to the station,
That one is when we get to station. Our boss, we talk to our boss. We are just messengers. Baba, welcome. Come.
Sorry to bother you, sir.
It's a prank video. It's a prank video. It's a prank video.
AB!
It's a prank video.
Okay.
AB
It's not real.
I did.
I like your confidence.
Sir.
Now you really know what you are doing.
Yeah, they were. You
Well
got to say,
I was next to my washing machine, but I don't say washing machine now.
Whenever anybody come, I don't buy something like that.
It's good. See, it's good for you to know yourself and for your neighbors too. To know. See, the neighbor is the one testifying that that daddy doesn't buy
doesn't buy
machine. He only repairs.
Repaired. But I ask anybody.
Nice one. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.